Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today, yes, I bring a RC remote airplane from Wish.com. So I always wanted to fly these RCs, and I never successfully got one up and running at all. It's been years, so I kind of gave up on the idea. And here I am, trying to go back to the same idea, but getting it cheaper. And of course, and I started on Wish.com, and that's where I ended up buying this. Now, I got this F-22 Raptor, and we're going to see what you get when you purchase it like this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's really in the box. So this came a couple weeks ago, so it might be not completed or damaged, and we might be late to the thing. But I'm just gonna open it up and see what you really get when you purchase something like this, because people buy stuff like and they don't know exactly what they're buying. So let's go ahead and put this box to the side. So there's your Raptor. Nice and neat. We're gonna open it up and see what well, these are empty little slots. They give you the remote. They give you the charging station, the propeller, the actual little wings, the little actual, yeah, these are the actual wings that it has and needs. And they give you two propellers actually, and then two of the little, these fins. They give you the fins here, and they actually tuck in. Now this is all foam, and it's pretty much supposed to be ready to fly too. Let's see, unlock this. What's in here? Underneath of it, I don't see nothing but the actual system itself, the battery. That's where the battery goes. Plugging it in, that's where you actually plug it in. So let's go ahead and take the battery off. I'm trying to see where I can plug it in, but it's not very simple to actually get the plug itself in here. They do give you the extra remote. Here it is, and it does require a couple of batteries. Let's see how many batteries. Three AA batteries, 1, 2, and 3. And that's pretty much it. Instructions, they give you instructions too. A power button, on button, up and down menu, left and right, and that's pretty much it. Up and down and left and right. So left and right kind of goes back, but not up and down. You know, it's just, you're gonna have to do this on your own. This is actually not even up and down. This is the power. It's the throttle, and then left and right. That's pretty much it is. No buttons. It feels like a freaking Xbox controller. It's probably made for one of the molds, but throttle, it just stays fixed. I like that. But then the left and right, that's where it actually goes. So let's go ahead and see if we could get the actual controller to so we can start plugging it in and charging it up. So we're going to do that. And they give you two little small little engines, real nice little cute engines. This is all foam base, so it's out of one mold. You could tell it's you can still see the mold injections in here. So the charger is here, USB charger, and it's a different kind of connection if you can see it. Now they do have one wheel here. I don't know if I'm going to put the wheels right now. One wheel goes in the front, and then the two wheels go in the back in here. So the instructions tell you that you actually have to glue these in here, and they do provide the glue in here. I just noticed it's some sort of cement right here, and we're gonna go ahead and do that because we want to make sure that these last for a while. So the F-22, I'm not quite sure what direction they're supposed to, but F-22 is supposed to be indicating on the outside. But look at this, they pretty much are the same angles either way. I mean, so I'm gonna keep the FY22 on the outside. All right, we're gonna do a test. This is the first time. We're gonna turn it on. I put the battery in. It's a little windy. I'm gonna turn it on here, and we're gonna see if the throttle works. Stop it.
Huh? I'm filming it.
turn it on again. Pressed it a couple times already. It keeps going that way.
But I said I prefer cheerleading over all of this. Hey, Big Green. What's happening, Big Green? I've never seen anything more graceful. Toby has to make everything about him.
He pretends he goes the other way. Look at him.
Big Green, stop. Why am I going crying? Because I'm a baby.
Did I give him more water?
Sure.
Or did he drink it all?
No. There's 3 bottles.
Can you give more water?
Lovely?
Hmm.
Just give him the whole bottle because we don't want to get confused as which one's his.